Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Sweet Heat Burger. First thing we got to do for this burger is make a sweet jalapeno aioli. As you can see here, I have a half cup of mayo, probably a clove of garlic in there, and just a little bit of lime juice. I'd say probably a teaspoon of lime juice. I just eyeballed it. And as you can see here, I de-seeded and roughly chopped up one jalapeno. And as you can see, I'm doing the same for a second. So you'll need 2 de-seeded and roughly chopped jalapenos. You don't need to go nuts because remember, they're in a food processor. And salt and pepper to taste. And then you just want to process this till everything is nice and smooth. And then pour in a bowl and set aside. You'll want to stop, knock everything down, but should go pretty quick. And like I said, pour in a bowl, keep it in the fridge, set aside. Let's move on to the other things. Okay, now we just want to cook up and crisp up some salami. So on a griddle on medium heat, you want to basically start crisping up some salami. Okie dokie. And as you can see here, we got 3 1/3 pound patties. And we're just going to season them with a generous helping of salt and pepper. Remember, be rather generous when you season burger patties because you're going to lose a shit ton of it when you go to flip them. And don't forget this important step. Always, always, always toast your buns. It's a perfect thing to do while the burgers are resting. And it makes your burger taste a lot better, so never forget to toast your buns. Okay, we are ready to start assembling our burger. As you can see here, got a nice toast on that bun. There's that patty with 2 slices of pepper jack melted atop it. Did I really need to show you melting pepper jack? And then we've got some peppered bacon. That's just bacon with pepper put atop of it and cooked. Usually I like to bake it in the oven. That fried salami we were talking about. And then you want to drizzle over that jalapeno aioli. After that's done, place the top bun on top, and that's it. A sweet heat burger. Done.